हिंदुस्तान के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको हम जॉइंट मैसेज देना चाहते थे।
हाँ दें आप।
सुनिए जॉइंट मैसेज देना चाहते थे ऑपोजिशन और सरकार के साइड से कि इस मुद्दे को हम ज़रूरी मानते हैं और इसीलिए हमने सोचा था कि आज स्टूडेंट्स की रिस्पेक्ट करने के लिए हम नीट पर डिस्कशन करें। एक तरफ
नहीं माने प्लीज ओके।
राहुल गांधी जी ने ये गुजारिश की कि आज के दिन सत्ता पक्ष और विपक्ष दोनों मिलकर देश के युवाओं को एक संदेश दें कि नीट के इस मुश्किल घड़ी में हम उनके साथ हैं। उसी समय सत्ता पक्ष ने उनकी माइक बंद करके बच्चों की आवाज को दबाने की कोशिश की।
They are not even allowing leader of opposition, that is recognized leader of opposition, who is the leader of 237 member of parliament, is not allowed to speak for 1 minute.
कांग्रेस पार्टी की ओर से आज ऐसा मुद्दा उठाया जो संसद के गरिमा के लिए बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है।
Good afternoon, and this is for all the students who took NEET and also the students who are taking other competitive exams in the country. There's been a disaster as far as NEET is concerned. Everybody knows that the paper was leaked, people made thousands of crores of rupees, and the students were hurt, were damaged. The students studied for years. It's their dream, their aspiration to enter the medical field, and that dream and aspiration has been destroyed and ridiculed. And that is why yesterday in the opposition meeting, I personally raised this issue and I said, look, to send a message to the students that we care for them, we believe in them, they are the future, we need to spend one day discussing NEET. And there was a unanimous agreement among all opposition parties that yes, a discussion on NEET, a one-day discussion on NEET is required and should be done. And we're committed to having that discussion peacefully in a very, very accommodating manner. I tried to raise it in Parliament. Of course, as you saw, I wasn't allowed to speak. This is an issue that has affected 2 crore students. 70 times in 7 years, papers have been leaked. It's clear that there is a systemic problem. It is clear that there is huge amount of corruption, and we simply cannot continue like this. Also, the students want a resolution quickly. So the idea behind the discussion was that we get a resolution to this issue because crores and crores of people, their family members are in pain. They don't know what is going to happen in the future, and it's important that we give them clarity. It's unfortunate that the government didn't want this. It seemed to me that the direction was directly from the Prime Minister. It's sad that the Prime Minister of India, who in fact should be leading the discussion and should be telling us about his opinion and should be telling us about what he is going to do, simply doesn't want to debate. We are ready for a debate, we want to debate, and we don't want to fight with the government. We want to place our views on the table.